Hi guys, good morning. Dito ako sa project ko ngayon. This is my project. Yan. Ito na yung katas ng real estate. Yan. Ito hindi lang yung global. Siyempre, Pinoy Homes. Thank you. Thank you, Pinoy Homes. At ito paano na unti-unti ko. Parang 4 years in the making ang aking bahay. Thank you, Lord. Yan. Yan guys, may design siya. Check natin yung isa. So, ito yung yan. Ito na, tapos na to yung part. Tapos na yung room. Ito yung master bedroom. Yan guys, aircon. Lalagyan pa yan. And thank you Lord.